from Stevie Wonder. Like this one to the people that are back. Lately I've had the strangest feeling with no very reason here to find. Yeah, the thought of losing you has been hanging on my mind. Oh, more frequently you're wearing perfume with you say no special place to go. But when I ask, will you be coming back soon? You don't know, never know. Well, I've been out of many wishes, hope my premonition pieces. But what I really feel, my eyes won't let me hide. 'Cause the old ways start to cry. 'Cause this time could be goodbye. Or if you know this one, you can sing with me right here. Lately I've been staring in the mirror, very slowly picking me apart, trying to tell myself I had no reason with your heart. Just the other night while you were sleeping, I vaguely heard you whisper someone's name. But then I asked, well, yours that you're keeping, you just say nothing's changed. Well, I've been out of many wishes, hope my premonition eases. But what I really feel, my eyes won't let me hide. 'Cause the old ways start to cry. 'Cause this time could be goodbye. So you can sing with me. I think you know this one. Come on. My eyes won't let me hide, 'cause the old ways start lost this time could be goodbye. Thank you so much. That was a great song from Stevie Wonder.
Yeah, that was Clark.
Yes, and before we move on, if anyone would like to jump with us,
Yes.
yes, you are free to sit with us right here. So, kita may morag, okay na niya.